In a land where dreams intertwine with reality, young girls dream of a day when they can wear gowns straight out of a fairy tale.
Each one, in her heart, longs to feel like a princess, surrounded by charm and brilliance that transcends everyday life. In a world full of magic, an opportunity rises, a grand ball where each can shine. Preparations last days and nights. Seamstresses and designers work tirelessly, creating gowns made of dreams. Each dress is a work of art, from the evening gowns sparkling like stars to bridal dresses, enveloping the brides like delicate mist, adding majesty. The girls dry on their dresses, and their reflections in the mirrors shine back, full of hope and joy. The evening of the ball arrives. The ballroom lights up with 1,000 lights, and each princess enters with grace. Music fills the air, and the dance floor invites to a dance. The gowns twirl to the melody, creating the magic of an extraordinary night. In the girls' eyes, not just joy sparkles, but also a gleam of hope. In their bridal gowns, they resemble angels, symbolizing a new life's beginning. Admiring glances from guests are directed at them. Each step, each twirl, seems to be taken straight out of the most beautiful fairy tale.
In these moments, time seems to stand still. Beauty, elegance, and the magic of the ball envelop the hearts of the participants. The air is filled with the scent of flowers and delicate perfumes, mingling with the aura of bridal dresses, like a promise of eternal love and commitment.
The girls in their dresses resemble flowers in a royal garden, each different, yet equally enchanting. Their eyes paint a picture of fulfilled dreams. They dance, laugh, and live in the moment that is theirs alone.
The dresses, both evening and bridal, reveal their secrets with every movement, like pages of a book written with dreams and hopes. Amidst the glitter and variety, each girl finds something unique within herself, something that makes her one of a kind.
As the music slows down and the lights dim softly, each of them,
for a moment to fully experience and savor this moment.
The ball comes to an end, but the memories remain. They are like magical dust, settling on the heart of each girl.
They return to their homes, dressed in evening and bridal gowns, witnesses to their transformation. These dresses gave them more than just external beauty, they bestowed strength and self-confidence. Now stronger, more self-assured, they are ready to face everyday life, carrying with them the magic and the glow of that extraordinary night.